Alright, look at us. We are already on episode number 3 of this tutorial, which will be about user groups. Now, user groups is a little bit more complicated or complex, so it'll take a little bit more time to explain and demonstrate than the previous tutorials, but I think you're going to like it. So user groups, you access them through your settings and your user groups tab, and you'll find the current default user groups, which are admins, moderators, and followers. I don't think we need to explain what user groups are, but what they do is basically give permissions to people who visit your circle, to give them that different types of access, as we showed before in under access rules. Now, the neat thing about make circles is that you can add a user group, which you can quite simply do by clicking the add user group button. Oops, let me try to click that again. There we go. You give it a group name. I've done this before, so I've got something saved. I'm calling this group Close Friends. I got a group handle, which will be Close Friends in one word. You got a title, which will be a close friend. Access level, you don't really have to worry about that. And then we have a group description. So people that are close to me, that's my new group. Click Save Changes. And if I now look at access rules, you'll see that, ooh, close friends are already here, and they're getting the same access as as everyone by default. And you mean that's really neat. I can start changing their access right here if I like to. So close friends, maybe I want close friends to be able to view my goals. Maybe I want them to also, close friends can also comment on my goals and what else? View projects. Yeah, no need for close friends to create projects on my personal page, at least. So that's very neat. Obviously, you can create more user groups to create a more granular system, but it also might be a little bit like counterintuitive or perplexing, because why are admins, moderators, followers, and close friends, and then everyone? Shouldn't close friends be before followers? Well, luckily we can adjust that. So if we go back to user groups and we go back to this list, we simply click on, either we move followers down or we use close friends up. So now I've moved close friends up to between moderators and followers. Click Save Changes. We go back and we check out access rules, and voila, we now have admins, moderators, close friends, followers, everyone, which might make more sense. Maybe close friends should be able to create posts and comment. So yes, so that's set up some kind of cool ideas. Let's remove that from followers. Set up some cool access rules. Now from here you might now be wondering, let me save this. So how do I give different users, assign them different groups? So what I do is I go to my followers or contacts, and then I'm going to select, there's Tim Olsen, my other profile, the real me. I click Edit User Groups. I can now click in Close Friends, which means that Tim is not only a follower but a close friend and has a little more access. I save that, and if you look on the list, let me just remove Tim from there. If you look on the list, you'll see Tim is now a follower and a close friend. So that is how you work with user groups, which is a really cool feature.